So, what brings us here today? I have some exciting news for you. I may call it a breakthrough. This could be a breakthrough. This is a breakthrough. Breakthrough, yeah. All right, yeah, it's a total breakthrough. I want to share something with you that I've really picked up over the last couple of weeks, and it is a dust collection idea that's completely free for me, and it can be for you, I believe. Before I get into it, this may be something that you have in your shop. One of these, you're using that as dust collection, and you're frustrated because every time the filter gets clogged up, and it don't take long. It's 10 minutes worth of sanding, and you're having to change it out, or you're dealing with dust in your shop. Let it get dusty, wear my respirator, and just blow the dust out my garage door with my leaf blower while the neighbors aren't home. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So if you're like me, you have one of these machines here, these three machines. You have one of the bigger ones. Now, I bought this one about 6 months ago after I started CNCing, getting a little serious with my woodworking. Now, this DeWalt here does a really good job. I run it with my CNC always for dust collection, trying to pull that dust up while I'm running my CNC. It does really well. Even when the filter is a little clogged up, it has enough muscle, pulls through it pretty well. This guy here would be a good vacuum for, I guess, medium to large particles. When I get the fine dust, and if I try to use it with a sander, I won't get 10 minutes worth of sanding done before I'm having to clean this thing out because the filter will not allow air to pass whatsoever. This one here is called an Armor All. I'm sure another company makes it. You can find these a dime a dozen on Amazon and anywhere else, but they actually work really well for projects in your car, cleaning out your car, small projects. Any kind of small particles are going to clog this thing right up, and you try to sand with it, and I have, you might as well forget it. You'll get 5 minutes worth of sanding if you're lucky, and you'll have to continue to clean this bag filter out. So not the thing you want to use for that. All right, now we're going to talk about this guy. Let's talk about it. So the wife's throwing hints at me. She needs a new vacuum cleaner. I dodged it for a while. I finally give in. I said, okay, we'll go get you one. She went and got a new vacuum cleaner. And the thought was, I guess, to convince me that she needed a new one. And I understand because I use the same thought process when I'm trying to convince my wife that I need a new tool in the garage. So her thought process that she was going to convince me to get a new vacuum cleaner was that this one doesn't work anymore. So I'm looking at this one. She wants to store it in my garage, and I'm said, hey, I'll just throw this thing away. She says it doesn't work anymore. But I thought again. I took it apart, and it was really dirty, filthy. I cleaned it out really good, and I decided I was going to try it in the shop. So after I got it good and clean, I ran into something that I want you to know about. Let's take a closer look. Most of your standard vacuum cleaners, your shop vacs, have a filter or a bag system. They don't have a HEPA system. So when you turn the thing on, before you even start sucking up dust, it's already blowing dust around your shop. So you think about these things, and I'm no vacuum cleaner engineer, but think about this. Use this inside your home. It has a multi-layer filtration system. It has a HEPA filter. It works good. You've used these things. They work good. Why have we not thought about using these in our shop? They work just as good, and they don't lose power when they suck up small particles. Are you starting to get it now? It took me a while. I want you to know that the reason we're here today, I'm not promoting or trying to pump up some vacuum cleaner company. I'm not trying to talk up the home vacuum cleaner into the shop. What I'm doing is just sharing something with you that I ran across that I think may be useful for you. What I haven't done, and I think would be a great idea, create a mounting system where I just hang this sucker on the wall and it's out of my way. So that concludes today's episode of vacuums, home vacuums in the shop. Who would have known, right? So I hope this has inspired you to buy a new vacuum cleaner for your wife and put the old vacuum in your shop. You never know. Thanks for watching. See you later.